welcome back to Twiggy Game. Today we're going to be opening a Retro Stars pack. So, it's saying guaranteed rewards, coins or player, training, transfer items or 50 skill boosts. Possible rewards, these whopping players here. Let's get it. Hope I get a good player, but I don't think I will. I'll probably get something really, really bad. I got a player. Christian Tello. Have a look. Oh, wow. That card's nice. Right, I got Christian Tello. He plays for the Alfeta FBS Pro League. He's Spanish. That is whopping. Right, see you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe and put your notifications on so you know when a new video comes out.